This video will demonstrate how to operate the machine for printing. To ensure everything goes smoothly during printing, please follow these steps. First, confirm that the double nozzles has completed the homing process and successfully executed the G-code M230 command, which calibrates the nozzle to ensure proper overlap. Verify that slicing has been completed in the software or save the file to an SD card. Then, operate the extruder motor and observe the silicone flow. In the manual control tab, click Open Both. Check the E, I, J, and K axis boxes. Then click +100 to extrude all 4 axes simultaneously. In the meantime, the silicone will mix in a 1:1 ratio and flow forward through both side tubings. If the motor stops working and no material flows out from the nozzle, please click +100 again to continue extruding. Repeat these steps until the material starts flowing out. Wipe off the excess material, then adjust the initial flow rate according to the types of silicone. Once the flow becomes stable, close the valve. Reminder, to fully understand how to set the initial flow rate, please refer to the tutorial video, Part A, Initial Flow Rate Setting. Finally, click Stop Printing under the Preview tab, or save the G-code file to the SD card and use the panel to start printing.